today we are making chocolate fruit pops. So we need some bananas, some strawberries, some kiwis, and for the coating we need the melted chocolate bar. For the garnish, chocolate sprinkles, chopped almonds, shredded coconut are my favorite ones, and we need some sticks to keep the popsicle. Now let's get started. So now let's put the strawberry on the stick, in the same way kiwi and the bananas as well. Let's melt the chocolate. Once it's melted, let's put the strawberries, the kiwis, and my personal favorite bananas into them. They look so beautiful. Now let's garnish them with some almonds, coconut, and the chocolate sprinkles. Now let's fridge it for a few minutes. So easy, no? Once they're refrigerated, they're easy to be eaten. They look so beautiful and tasty as well. I hope you liked my video and they're tasty too. I would be really happy if you share your love and support with us, as this inspires me and motivates me to produce really good quality stuff for you. I hope you learned something in today's video. Thank you and keep loving us.